Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very common and useful situation in daily life, being at a restaurant. Eating at a restaurant is something we all do, so learning English for this situation is very important. Let's imagine you walk into a restaurant. A waiter or waitress greets you and says, "Hello," or "Welcome." They might ask, "Table for one?" or "How many people?" You can answer simply, "Table for one, please," or "Table for two, please." You sit down and after a moment, the waiter brings the menu. You can say, "Thank you." Now you look at the menu. You don't need to understand every word. Just look for things you know, like chicken, rice, salad, or pasta. When the waiter comes back, they might ask, "Are you ready to order?" If you are not ready, you can say, "Not yet," or "Just a moment, please." When you are ready, you can order using a very simple sentence. "I would like the chicken, please," or "Can I have the pasta, please?" If you want a drink, you can say, "I would like water," or "Can I have a juice, please?" Sometimes the waiter asks, "Anything else?" If you want more, say, "Yes, please." If you don't, say, "No, thank you." Now you wait for your food. When the food arrives, the waiter may say, "Here you are." You can answer with, "Thank you." While you eat, you can say simple sentences like, "This food is good," or "I like this restaurant." If there is a problem, you can say politely, "Excuse me," or "Sorry." For example, "Sorry, I asked for water," or "Excuse me, this is cold." When you finish eating, you may want the bill. You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" or "Check, please." The waiter brings the bill and tells you the price. You pay and say, "Thank you." Before you leave, it's nice to say, "Thank you, goodbye," or "Thank you, have a nice day." And that's it. You just used English in a real restaurant situation. You ordered food, asked for what you need, paid, and left politely. This is real English used in everyday life. Next time you go to a restaurant, try to use these sentences. Repeat them in your mind. The more you connect English to real life, the more confident you become. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.